Morning, welcome back to the second part of the Iceland series. We are on our way to the next hotel. It's gonna be a very long drive, but we're gonna stop along the way. And now we are driving to get some breakfast. It's still a half-hour drive, but the views are amazing. We are at our breakfast. We are at the breakfast place and it's so cute. This is the breakfast place. And then on the other side you have this amazing view. Survived. It was very nice. Now, some coffee, and we're going further. Searching for lunch. Let me take these. We've arrived at the next hotel, Geysir. We're enjoying a coffee. And the view. It is raining, but look. There with the smoke are, well, yeah, Geysir. Geysirs? Geysir? Don't know how you say it. Yeah, we have some nice view. And we're gonna chill and then have dinner later. I'm gonna take a bath as well. We have a bath. riding off-road for 2 hours already, and it's still a while to go. It's snowing. There's a rainbow, look! hot damn. We made it back. We had snow, rain, hail, sun, everything. This place is incredible. Yeah, it was nice. We couldn't really fly the drone, only one time, but it's okay. I have a lot of good videos on my phone. Now we have to drive 3 hours back. It's okay. Whew. Okay. Our car after that ride, and yeah, we still have to do some off-road. Yeah. Derby. Look at the view. So we stopped at the cafe shop. Yes. And I'm happy it's here, honestly. Now we go to the hotel, and I got a brownie on the door. We're gonna take a look at the waterfall Gullfoss. The weather seems stormy coming at us, but let's hope it's not gonna be stormy. Good morning. Before we leave to our next hotel, we are gonna take a look at the geysers here. Since we were staying in the geyser hotel, it's like really close by. So yeah, let's hope there's not too many people yet. It's a beautiful day. Let's have some fun. arrived at the 4-kilometer hike, and we're gonna see the waterfall, High Falls. Beautiful hike, very steep when you go back up, but that was worth it. Also, not a lot of people go down, so that is awesome. We had the place to ourselves basically, and now we're gonna find some lunch. I'm hungry. We made it at the Hotel Adventure, and this is the view. Parking spots, no, but mountains somewhere. Good morning. It's the next day and also our last day, because this night we're going home again. We have to wake up very early. But we are on the way to Reykjavik. That is if our car wants to, because the pressure is low on one of the wheels. But it might be nothing. We'll see. relax at a hot spring at Vamsvik or something like that. I'll post it on the screen, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to film it. We'll see. Okay. We are back at the hotel, and yeah, this is it. This evening, this night, we're leaving home. So I hope you enjoyed these 2 videos of Iceland as much as we did. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe, follow, leave a comment if you like, and I will see you in the next one.